Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy and another video using the November paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up. In this video we are going to totally deconstruct the gift card holders. As before, if you stuck that together you'd have a gift card holder. Last time we cut this up and made a card. This time we're going to cut it in half right down the middle here to make two gift tags. So then you would just also trim off this flap. You can use your paper trimmer if you like, or just use a pair of scissors. So we've already made a card and made the gift card holder using the front door piece. So I'm just going to set that aside and I'm going to focus on the back piece here. We're going to use one of the solid pieces here, and I'm going to use the larger house stamp to put on it, and then I am going to stamp the wishing you a jolly Christmas on it. I just need to get out a label to put that one on, and we'll do that in the green. So I am going to use my Stampin' Spot and I am going to ink this one up, and it is the Blushing Bride light pink, which is very nice with the gingerbread. So that is well inked up, and we're just going to put it down on our white die cut. Give it a good press. There we go. And then I am going to use the Stampin' Spot, ink up the wishing you jolly Christmas stamp. It's well inked up, and I'm just going to pop that right in the middle of this, and like that, and then just give it a flick. So there we go. That is that done. Now, because this is going to be a gift tag, I want to stamp to and from on the back of it. So I'm just going to ink up the to and from. It comes in as one stamp. So I'm just going to put a bit more on there, and I'm just going to pop it just on the back, just like that. And now we've got our to and from on. I've done that now because I am going to dimensionalize the front, and it would make it really difficult to stamp that on the back. So we are going to do some dimensionals on the back just to give it a bit of a pop. And I'll peel those off. Oh, that one wanted to come back. There we go. Peel those off, and we will put this on the base. Just pop it down. And then I'm also going to dimensionalize the wishing you a jolly Christmas. And you can put it on straight, you can put it over top of the chimney, you can put it on crooked. I'm actually just going to overlap the chimney a bit. So there we go. So there you have a gift card that you can attach to a parcel. So the November Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up is really, really versatile. Lots of different projects. You've got the gift tag, you've got the little card enclosure, and you've also got the gift card holder. So lots of options. If you would like to order a Paper Pumpkin subscription, you can use the link below. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.